Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step solution of this mathematical expression by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for how we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step says solve the innermost round brackets, which is 7 multiply by 2 and it gives you 14 as an answer. According to this, the new expression becomes 84 divided by 14 square bracket of multiply by 3 power cube plus root 16. According to this step 1, we do this first because the letter B brackets dictates that inner parenthesis take the absolute highest priority. Move to the next step, solve the outer square brackets, which is 84 divided by 14. This one, and gives you the result is 6. According to this step, we must completely clear all the remaining brackets B before moving on the other mathematical operation. And now the current expression becomes 6 multiplied by 3 power cube and plus root 16. Now the next step says solve the orders, exponents and roots. Evaluate 3 cube and root 16. So now 3 cube, it's basically multiply 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 gives you 27 and root 16 gives you 4. According to this step, order, power roots must be simplified immediately after the brackets are cleared and before basic arithmetic. And now the current expression becomes 6 multiplied by 27 plus 4. Move to the next step. Perform multiplication. Now multiply the digit 6 multiplied by 27. It gives you 162 as a result. And according to this step, under the multiplication M, the operation hold a higher rank than the addition, so it must be calculated next. And now the expression become 162 plus 4. Now finally perform addition. Add the values. 162 plus 4 gives you 166 as a final result. According to this step A, addition is the final operation left to complete, bringing us the definite and simplified value. So now according to this expression, by using the BODMAS sequence, this definite and simplified value of this expression is 166, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.